Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this NEC display NEC PE506UL LCD projector 1610 ceiling mountable, then please visit the link provided in the description. The NEC PE506UL is a laser-powered projector designed for spaces where brightness, clarity, and reliability are non-negotiable. From large classrooms and conference halls to houses of worship and professional auditoriums, this projector is built to handle big screens and big expectations. Laser technology is at the core here, which means no lamp replacements, consistent brightness over time, and longer operational life. At 5,200 lumens, this projector can compete with ambient light, so daylight or overhead lights aren't a problem. Whether it's presentations, videos, or live events, every detail remains vivid and visible. Resolution is WUXGA 1920 by 1200 with a 16:10 aspect ratio. The extra vertical pixels give more room for content, whether it's spreadsheets, slides, or cinematic visuals. Combined with 3 LCD technology, colors appear accurate, natural, and free from the rainbow effect often seen in other projectors. Flexibility is one of the standout features. Vertical and horizontal lens shift, motorized zoom, and keystone correction allow it to adapt to almost any setup. Ceiling mount, rear projection, or long throw installations are all possible, making it a versatile choice for professional spaces. Noise levels are minimal for a projector of this class, allowing viewers to focus on the screen rather than the fan. A sealed optical engine protects the internal components from dust, reducing maintenance and keeping the image crisp over time. Connectivity is extensive. Multiple HDMI ports, HD-Base-T, USB, and LAN support modern AV workflows and network control. Whether it's a standalone setup or part of an integrated system, installation is straightforward and reliable. Who benefits most? Schools, universities, corporate offices, and large venues that need dependable, high-quality projection will find the NEC PE506UL invaluable. It's also a solid choice for high-end home theaters that demand exceptional brightness and color fidelity. Overall, the NEC PE506UL balances professional-grade performance with practical features. Laser longevity, outstanding brightness, adjustable setup options, and color-accurate 3 LCD technology make it a strong contender for anyone who needs visuals to impress. If this projector matches your needs and you want to explore it further, check the link in the description. Whether it's for a classroom, auditorium, or home theater, this projector is designed to deliver consistently impressive performance day in and day out.